Hello, this is a little room tour of the room number 1623 in the Hyatt Regency Hotel Düsseldorf. This is the standard room, the lowest category, and with a king size bed. I was lucky. I got a room with a view of the Rhine. From the bed I can watch the ships, the boats on the Rhine, and I also have a view of the tower of the Düsseldorf airport and the approaching planes. If you get a room further down the hallway, you might just more or less see the opposite building. But I asked for a room on a high floor, highest possible, and it's the 16th floor, and there are 18 floors, so really good, and not so close to the elevators. So this one is actually at the end of the corridor. There are two suites, I think, next to my room. They have a view of the TV tower and the Rhine, the full view of the Rhine River. When I came, I arrived very early, and I was, of course, I expected that I could not move in right away. But actually there were rooms available, but I would have to pay an extra fee for early check-in. Well, that was really early, it was before 9 o'clock. And then I also got offered a room with a view of the Rhine, TV tower and all that. That would have cost an additional 50 euros, I think. So I kept this one, and I'm very content with the view. And the room itself is, well, quite spacious. You have this seating device. It's a kind of little sofa if you want, and the bed is really nice, very big one, and the position of the desk is also cool. It's right by the window and you can watch the Rhine. What else? A lot of mirrors here, and we have an espresso machine, one free bottle of water, and tea, coffee, of course, and the mini bar here, and the fridge down there. So let's continue with the bathroom. Nice lights. It's actually not that big, but it has, it's with all these mirrors, these huge mirrors, it has, you get the impression that it's really actually very big. Nice amenities. The pharmacopoeia, it's natural cosmetic. And then this is a shower and bathtub behind this glass door, again with big mirrors, and the amenities here. So you see, the bathtub is not so well maintained. It's a bit dirty. Well, not dirty, but it's, I can imagine when people take a shower here, the bathtub gets wet from that side continuously, so it's difficult to keep it dry all the time. So I think these were the main features of the room, and yeah, it's a pricey hotel. You should be aware of that, and if you get a good rate, it's it might be worth it because of the view, mainly, I would say. The position is in the so-called Media Harbor neighborhood or district or new quarter, and it's not that close to the city center actually, but it's well, you can reach the hotel by tram quite easily from the central station, for example. And it's about 10 minutes maybe, or 15 minutes. 10 minutes, I would say, walk to the TV tower. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.